Let us learn example 4.4. A boy of height 90 centimeter is walking away from the base of a lamppost at a speed of 1.2 meter per second. If the lamppost is 3.6 meter above the ground, find the length of his shadow cast after 4 seconds. Okay, a boy is of height 90 centimeter. You see the diagram here, he is standing. Okay, but from this place only he moved from away from the foot of the lamppost. The speed of his walking is 1.2 meter per second. Okay, in 1 second, 1.2 meter he is walking. If the lamppost is 3.6 meter, the height of the lamppost is 3.6 meter above the ground, find the length of his shadow cast after 4 seconds. Away from the post, he is walking. 4 seconds he walked and he stood in the point D. Okay, so after 4 seconds, what is his shadow cast? What is his shadow cast? We need to find out. That means length of the shadow we need to find out. Okay. So first of all, we can write given height of the boy it is equal to 90 centimeter, but the remaining measure here time speed given in meter per second, here lamppost height given in meter. Okay, so we can change this 90 centimeter also in meter. What is the value? We know this 1 centimeter is equal to this 1 meter is equal to not 1 centimeter, 1 meter is equal to 100 centimeter. Okay, so we for 90 centimeter you need to divide using 100. 100 divided by 90, that is equal to 0.9 meter. Okay, this 0 cancel, 0.9 meter. Are you all clear about this conversion? Next one, they given us the speed of the boy. Equal to 1.2 meter per second. Okay, next we have the height of the lamppost. Height of the lamppost is equal to 3.6 meter. The height of the boy we are considering as the boy height is CD. So here we can write as CD equal to. Okay. Here the height of the lamppost in the diagram we are considering as AB. So this is AB equal to 3.5 meter, 3.6 meter, CD equal to 0.9 meter. He traveled 4 seconds. Okay, so we can consider the time equal to 4 seconds. Per 1 second he walk 1.2 kilometer. So how much speed he can cover? We know the formula, distance equal to speed into time. Okay, that you can write inside the box since it is a formula. Now you apply the values. What is the speed of the boy? It is 1.2 meter per second and timing is 4 seconds. So 1.2 into 4. How the unit will consider? You see here 1.2 meter per second into 4 seconds. Okay. So this second will cancel. So we can consider the distance in meter, which is equal to 1.2 into 4 meter. What is the value? 1.2 into 4. 12 4s are 48. It is 4.8 meter. So he covered the distance 4 seconds. That is BD length. BD is equal to 4.8 meter. In 4 seconds, the boy cover 4.8 meter. From the diagram, we can write it as BD length. Okay. Now we can consider this DE length, that is the length of the shadow, as X. Let X be the length of the shadow cast after 4 seconds. That is, X means D length, okay. DE equal to X meter. Are you all clear? So we got D equal to X meter, this length. Now you listen, this angle BAC and DCB, okay, that two angles make the same line here, this way. Okay, these two angles are equal. Since the angles are corresponding, that two are equal. So we can say angle A equal to angle C. Okay, angle C. Next, this lamp post is perpendicular to the ground. The same way the man is also perpendicular to the ground. Okay, so this also is equal. Here, this 90 degree, this is the angle. This also angle. Okay, so the angles, these two angles are equal and these two angles are equal. So we can say by AA criteria, the big triangle ABCE is similar to the small triangle CDE. Okay, the triangles are similar means the ratio of the corresponding sides are equal, or the sides are proportional. So we can use the side length and find out the X value. Okay, what about this BD length? It is 4.8 meter. DE length is X meter. Okay, consider lamppost and boy are standing perpendicular to the ground. Therefore, angle ABE is equal to angle CDE, that is equal to 90 degree. Okay, the next one, angle BAE equal to angle DCE. The reason is corresponding angle. Since corresponding angles are equal, so this is the here we have the equality symbol. Okay, since the two angles are equal, by AA criteria, by AA criterion of similarity, we can say triangle ABE is similar to triangle CDE. Yes, CDE. Okay, therefore the corresponding sides are proportional. Corresponding sides are proportional, that is, the ratios are equal. So we can take BE divided by DE is equal to AB divided by CD. What is the value? What is the BE value? It is BD plus DE divided by DE equal to the AB value we know it is 3.6 divided by CD value it is also given. We converted into meter, that is 0.9. Okay. Now what is the value? So BD plus DE, that is 4.8 plus X divided by DE value is X. We written already. 3.6 divided by 0.9. You can multiply by 10 in both numerator and denominator. So you will get as 36 divided by 9. Okay, so cancelling using 9 table, 1 9 is 9, 4 9s are 36. So 4 divided by 1, that is equal to 4. Okay, so from this we can find out the x value by cross multiplying. You will get as 4.8 plus x is equal to 4x. Take all the x terms in the same side and the number to other side. So this plus x will take to 4x. It will change as 4x minus x, that is 3x equal to 4.8. So what is the x value? 4.8 divided by 3, that is 1 3 is 3. Here 1 3 is 3, remainder 1, decimal point, 6 3s are 18. So 1.6. So x value is equal to 1.6 meter. What is this? X is the length of the shadow after 4 seconds. That's only we need to find in this question. So we got the answer. We can write it now. Answer, length of the shadow cast of the boy equal to 1.6 meter. Are you all clear? Okay. So we got the answer as 1.6 meter. Let us continue. Example 4.5. In this figure, angle A equal to angle CED. Okay, angle A is this equal to angle CED, this angle. Prove that triangle CAB is similar to triangle CED. Okay, how the triangle name taken, it is very very important. Okay, also find the value of x. X is the DE length. We need to find out the DE length also. First you have to prove the triangles are similar. Next you want to find out the value of x. For doing this sum, we can separate these two triangles. So we can draw the triangle separately. Okay, CDE triangle and ABC triangles we can draw separately and do this. You can see this. This is the big triangle ABC. The measures, what are the measures are given, we can write it. In the triangle, in the question itself they given 7 centimeter and 8 centimeter is the total. 7 plus 8 is the total length of AC, that means 15 centimeter. Then AB length is 9 centimeter. BC length given us 10 plus 2. Okay, BC means it is BE plus CE. So it is 10 plus 2, that is 12 centimeter. Then the inside we have a small triangle, that is CDE. There two side length is only given. Third side given as x. We need to find out the value. There CD equal to 8 centimeter and C equal to 10 centimeter. We from using this all measurements, we need to find out the x value. Okay, now you see in the question itself given angle A, that is this angle, is equal to angle CED, this angle. Okay, these two angles are equal. Also we know this angle C is common. Okay, angle C is the common angle in both triangle. Okay, so these two angles are also equal. So using the AA, one angle, another angle. So AA criteria, we can say these two triangles are similar. Are you clear? Since this angle C is common and they given angle A is equal to angle CED, by AA criteria we can say the triangles are similar. If the triangles are similar, corresponding sides are proportional. That means the ratios are equal. Okay, so using that idea we can find out the x value. So we can continue the solution like this. Given angle A equal to angle CED. This is one of the angle. Okay. Then second one is angle C is common. Angle C is common. It is the common angle. This is another second angle. So two angles are there. These two angles are equal. So we can use the AA criteria. Therefore, by AA criterion for similarity, triangle CAB, okay, CAB, C is the common angle, A is the equal angle with E angle. Okay, so we consider the triangle name is CAB. Understood? Why it is given in like that only? Then we have to check the next one, the equal angle C. Then E angle is the common angle C, and E angle is the equal angle with A. Then third vertex D. Okay, is similar to the another triangle CED. So we got it correctly. Okay, hence proved. But it is not over. The sum is not over. Also to find the value of x. Okay. Since the triangles are similar, the corresponding sides are proportional. Okay, the corresponding sides are proportional. That means the ratios are equal. Okay, so we can write as, which implies CA, this one, CA divided by CE. Okay, CA divided by CE. C is the common vertex, A is the equal angle vertex. The same way C is the common vertex, C is the equal angle vertex. So CA divided by CE is equal to, okay, next one, AB, this equal angle with the third vertex, AB divided by, here also equal angle with the third vertex is ED, equal to the third side, CB divided by CD. What are the values we know? We can apply now. CA, that is 15 centimeter. Without measure we can write it. Since we have the division, the measurement, the unit will cancel. CA divided by CE is 10, equal to AB. AB value is 9 divided by ED value is x, equal to CB value, CB equal to 12 divided by CD is 8. Okay, now we can simplify. Here 2 5s are 10, 3 5s are 15, 2 4s are 8, 4 3s are 12. Okay, anyway, these values are equal, the ratios are equal, it is equal to 3 by 2. So we can consider any two ratios. Okay, now consider 3 by 2 equal to 9 by x. Only this is enough, no need the third ratio here. So what you get? By cross multiplication here, this 3 is a numerator, 9 is also the numerator, and both the side of the equal to, so 1 3 is 3, 3 3s are 9. Now cross multiply, so you will get x into 1, that is x is equal to 3 into 2, that is 6. So x is equal to 6 centimeter. What is the x value? It is the side length of D. Okay, but in the question they asked to find out x value, so it is enough. We can write x is equal to 6 centimeter. Okay, are you all clear?